This is what it looks like outside my front door. Lots of snow. There's my truck. There's where we live, and it's snowing like a motherfucker. I ain't got no shoes on either. Anyway, just a little snow video.